Imagine a place, secluded and untouched, where the sands whisper tales of mystery and intrigue. Welcome to Lakshadweep. Nestled in the azure embrace of the Arabian Sea, far off the coast of India, lies a cluster of islands that time seems to have forgotten. Lakshadweep, a name that translates to 100,000 islands in the local dialect, is a paradise that remains relatively unexplored compared to other tourist destinations around the globe. It's an archipelago of 27 islands, each one a pearl in the necklace of the Indian Ocean, shimmering with a pristine beauty that leaves one breathless. But the allure of Lakshadweep extends beyond its visual charm. This is a place where nature has spun its magic, creating a unique tapestry of cultural and biological diversity. The islands are home to a vibrant community of people whose lives are intricately woven with the rhythm of the sea. They speak a language that is a harmonious blend of Malayalam and Arabic, reflecting the rich cultural heritage of the region. The waters surrounding the islands teem with a kaleidoscope of marine life, making it a diver's paradise. From the playful dolphins to the majestic manta rays, every creature adds a stroke of color to the underwater canvas. Above the water, the skies are a playground for a plethora of bird species, each with their unique song, adding to the symphony of nature. The islands are also a treasure trove of biodiversity, home to an array of unique flora and fauna. From the towering coconut palms swaying in the breeze to the vibrant hibiscus blooming in the wild, every aspect of nature in Lakshadweep is a testament to the island's ecological richness. Yet, despite the serene beauty and the vibrancy, there's an air of mystery that surrounds Lakshadweep. Behind the tranquil facade of azure waters and sun-kissed beaches, there are tales waiting to be told, secrets waiting to be uncovered, stories of disappearing islands, of vanishing corals, of a community that holds on to their age-old traditions amidst the changing tides of time. But beneath this calm and serene facade, there are riddles that remain unsolved. Among the many islands of Lakshadweep, there is one that appears and disappears, as if playing hide-and-seek with the world. Parali Wurst, once a small yet vibrant part of Lakshadweep, is now a tale of the vanished. This tiny island, once a speck of lush tropical green in the middle of the azure ocean, has vanished without a trace. And the reason? Erosion and rising sea levels. Imagine an island that was once home to an array of fauna and flora, that had the power to captivate the most seasoned travelers with its raw beauty, simply ceased to exist. It's like a chapter in a book that's been torn out and thrown to the winds, never to be read again. The disappearance of Parali has baffled and intrigued scientists and environmentalists around the globe. How does an entire island vanish? The answer lies in the delicate balance of our ecosystem. As sea levels rise, due to global warming, islands like Parali bear the brunt. The waves, once gentle and welcoming, turned into relentless eroding forces, washing away the island bit by bit until there was nothing left. This isn't just about the disappearance of a piece of land. It's about the loss of a habitat, a home to countless species, both above and below the water's surface. It's about the ripple effects this has on the surrounding environment, on the biodiversity of the region. The disappearance of Parali 1 has raised alarm bells, prompting us to question our actions and their effects on our planet. But perhaps there's a silver lining to this cloud. The vanishing of Parali has also sparked a sense of urgency among communities, scientists and governments to act, to protect what's left, to ensure that no other island has to face the same fate. The vanishing island, a stark reminder of the power of nature, and perhaps a forewarning of what's to come. The story of Parali 1 is a wake-up call, a call to action, a call to preserve and protect our beautiful yet vulnerable planet. The vibrant coral reefs of Lakshadweep are a spectacle to behold, but they're also the center of an enigmatic puzzle. These underwater rainforests are home to a myriad of marine life, their bright hues painting a vivid tableau beneath the waves. But something strange and alarming has been happening. The corals are losing their vibrant colors, turning an eerie white. This is a phenomenon known as coral bleaching. Coral bleaching is as mysterious as it is disconcerting. Corals, these fascinating marine creatures, derive their vibrant colors from tiny algae called zooxanthellae that live within their tissues. The relationship between the coral and the algae is a beautifully symbiotic one. The coral provides a protected environment for the algae, while the algae, in return, supply the coral with the nutrients they need to grow and reproduce. But when corals are stressed due to changes in conditions such as temperature, light, or nutrients, they expel the symbiotic algae living in their tissues, causing them to turn completely white. This is coral bleaching. It's like watching a vibrant, bustling city suddenly turn into a ghost town. Theories abound as to why this is happening in Lakshadweep. Some scientists point to climate change as the culprit. As global temperatures rise, so do sea surface temperatures. This increase in temperature puts stress on the corals, causing them to expel their life-giving algae. Others suggest pollution could be the cause. The beautiful waters of Lakshadweep are not immune to the plastic waste and harmful chemicals that have become all too common in our oceans. These pollutants can damage the delicate corals, leading to bleaching. Regardless of the cause, the bleaching corals of Lakshadweep present us with a captivating mystery. They stand as silent sentinels. Their ghostly white forms a haunting reminder of the fragility of life beneath the waves. The bleaching corals, a captivating mystery beneath the waves, silently pleading for our attention. The islands of Lakshadweep are not just home to diverse wildlife, but also to a community of people with a secret that lies within their genes, a secret that has intrigued scientists and geneticists from around the world. You see, the islanders of Lakshadweep have a unique genetic makeup that sets them apart from the rest of the world. This genetic uniqueness is a result of centuries of isolation. Living in the middle of the Arabian Sea, away from the Indian mainland, the islanders have developed a distinctive genetic profile. This has rendered them a living petri dish for scientists keen on understanding the mysteries of human evolution and genetics. A flurry of studies have been conducted over the years to unravel this genetic enigma. What has been discovered is nothing short of fascinating. The islanders have a higher prevalence of certain genes that contribute to their health and longevity, genes that might hold the answer to conditions like heart disease and diabetes, conditions that plague the rest of the world. But this genetic isolation isn't all rosy. It also means the islanders have a higher susceptibility to certain genetic disorders, a challenge that the island's healthcare system grapples with and is a subject of ongoing research. The islanders' genetic makeup is not just a testament to their unique history and isolation, but it's also a window into understanding human adaptation. It's a living lab that shows us how humans adapt to their environment over centuries, shaping their genes in the process. Their secret is not just their own, it's a secret that belongs to all of humanity. It's a secret that tells us about our past, our present, and potentially our future. It's a secret that reminds us that we are, in the grand scheme of things, a product of our environment and our history. The island's residents, a living testament to a genetic riddle that keeps researchers on their toes. Lakshadweep, a paradise dotted with enigmas, holds within it lessons of nature, life, and survival. As we've journeyed through this unseen paradise, we've encountered mysteries that pique the curiosity and capture the imagination. The first enigma we grappled with was the vanishing island of Parali Wus. This disappearing act, brought on by the relentless forces of nature, serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of our planet and the urgent need to champion sustainable practices. Then we dived beneath the azure waves to explore the coral enigma. The resilient coral reefs of Lakshadweep, despite being under constant threat from climate change, continue to thrive and flourish. They serve as a testament to nature's remarkable resilience and adaptability, a beacon of hope in our struggle against environmental degradation. We also delved into the secret of the islanders, a people who have thrived in this isolated paradise for generations. Their unique lifestyle and sustainable practices are a testament to human adaptability and perseverance. They serve as a reminder of our capacity to live harmoniously with nature, offering valuable lessons to the rest of the world. These mysteries make Lakshadweep more than just a tourist's paradise. It's a living laboratory for scientists, a treasure trove for environmentalists, and a field of study for researchers from around the globe. Each mystery unraveled brings with it new knowledge and understanding, adding another layer to our appreciation of this idyllic archipelago. But perhaps the most fascinating aspect of these mysteries is that they're still being unveiled. With every visit, every study, every conversation with the locals, we gain a little more insight into this unique ecosystem and its inhabitants. And in doing so, we realize that these are not just the mysteries of Lakshadweep, but the mysteries of our planet. As we continue to explore and understand these mysteries, we are reminded that our planet, in all its beauty and complexity, still has secrets to reveal. Like, subscribe, then use the links below to get a free book or to start your adventure planning.